No, no, don't sing it. Okay, Jacob and Elise learned this song at school. It's a winter song, and it goes like this.
Chubby little snowman with a carrot nose, along came a bunny rabbit, and what do you suppose? That hungry little bunny, looking for his lunch, ate the snowman's carrot nose. Nibble, nibble, crunch, crunch.
Very good. Have you learned any songs for springtime? Yeah? What?
I did. A snowman in spring, but I don't know what he's in spring. I want to do a little dance. I'm going to do a little dance. No, you already did that. No, I'm not going to do the same dance. I'm going to do a different dance.
Will you guys do your tushy dancing?
Oh, yeah.
Come here.